Hey guys, so I'm making this video because I know some other people were interested in getting an auxiliary port put into their second generation Toyota Avalon. Mine's a 2004 and I've already installed this thing. But just a brief overview. This came in, it's the GROM Audio Auxiliary Kit, the GROM AUX1. Since it's already in the car, I can't really show what it came with, but basically it came with this unit here, which I'll show in the car, and it also came with the cabling. The cabling has a plug that goes into the back of this unit and also a two-ended plug. It's basically a kind of like a Y adapter that goes into the back of the stereo, where it's for a CD changer expansion. On my car, it's my head unit is AD6901, and that plug was not occupied, so I basically have one plug going into the head unit and the other one is just kind of floating there, and it works. It also came with this jumper, which the instruction says sometimes is required for these with head units that start with AD, but mine didn't. It worked without it. If you end up getting this, you might want to try it with the jumper and also without. See which one works for you. So this is the inside of my car. As you can see here, I've got this AD6901 head unit. I've got that cable routed through from the back of the head unit into the glove box where this is, and my auxiliary port gets plugged in there. Just a brief summary on how to get to the back of this particular head unit. There are 4 bolts. 2 are behind the top vents, 2 are behind the ashtray. After you remove the 4 bolts, you can pull out the head unit with the AC controls and remove all the cables that are plugged into the back of both these units. After which, you'll connect the other end of the cable that comes with the kit into the CD changer expansion port. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate mine. Obviously the radio still works. You can toggle between auxiliary and the built-in CD player. Back to auxiliary. I have mine plugged into my laptop because my phone is currently being used to record this video, and technical difficulties. Oh. Should have sound coming through your speakers. Hope that helps.